Hello, great minds. You're welcome to another exciting moment here, as always. And today's question, we really want to find what the value of x would be that will satisfy this equation. So let us get started. Now, first thing I want you to remember is if I have a to the b and I have m to the b, you can see these bases both have the same power b. I can further express these guys as am all to the b. So however it is, it's possible. So you can see 5 here is having root x and 20 is having root x. So I can go ahead and say this is 5 times 20 all to the root x, and that is equal to 30. Perfect. So 5 times 20 is 100. So we have 100 root x is equal to 30. Now, the next thing I want to do is to take the logarithm of both sides. I want to take the log 10 of both sides. So that would be like log 10 of 100 to the root x is equal to log 30 base 10. So I'm taking the log of 10 for both sides. And from the laws of logarithm, if you have log a to the n base b, that's going to be n log a base b, as if to say the n will fall behind the logarithm. So this guy is going to fall behind the logarithm. So we have root x log 100 base 10 is equal to log 30 base 10. Now, what is logarithm? If I have log 100 base 10, what is the result? It's going to be 2, because looking at what power would you raise the base to get the argument or the input 100. So 10 raised power 2 will give us 100. So log 100 base 10 is 2. Then log 1000 base 10 will be 3, because 10 raised to the power 3 will give us 1000. Again, if I have log 16 base 2, this will be 4, because 2 to the power 4 will give me 16. So you want to look out for the power you must raise the base to get the argument or the input. So that is why log 100 base 10 is going to be 2, and that will become 2 root x. Okay, all of this guy becomes 2. So 2 times root x will give us 2 root x equal to log 30 base 10. So we divide everybody by 2. So now we have root x is equal to log 30 base 10 all upon 2. The next thing you want to do is to take the square of both sides to get rid of the square root in the left hand side. So if I square both sides now and I square this side, the square will cancel out the roots. So finally, x is equal to log 30 base 10 all over 2 all squared. That's the value of x. You can further express it as log 30 base 10 all over 4, then all squared for the upper numerator. So this is the possible value of x. But let us verify the answer. So we want to show that x is actually log 30 base 10 over 2 all squared. So let us plug in the value of x in this equation and see if we are going to get 30. Okay, we want to see if we're going to get 30. So first thing is I have 5 roots. X here is actually log 30 base 10 over 2 all squared. So that would be log 30 base 10 over 2 all squared. And 20 would be the square root of log 30 base 10 over 2 all squared. And the square will cancel out the root. The square will cancel out the root. So what do we now have? We have 5 to the log 30 base 10 all over 2 times 20 to the power log 30 base 10 all over 2. Now I can go further to combine these two guys as 5 times 20 all to the power log 30 base 10 all over 2. And 5 times 20 is 100. So we have 100 log 30 base 10 over 2. And 100 is the same as 10 to the power 2. So we have 10 to the power 2 into log 30 base 10 all over 2. So these two can cancel out this one. So we now have 10 to the power log 30 base 10. And from the laws of logarithm, if you have log a to the b base m, then you have another base m here. This m is going to cancel out this logarithm. So you have a to the b, whatever it is. So you have the input. So this 10 is going to cancel out the logarithm. So now the final answer is going to be 30. And that is the correct answer we have here. So thank you very much for watching. If you find value from this video, let me know in the comment section and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.